Morning. I went out yesterday. Wasn't going to come out today. The weather was supposed to be really bad, so I thought, oh, I'll go out on the beer. So I went out with my kids and my brother and his daughter, and had a few beers. A few more than a few. So I feel really ropey this morning, real ropey. But I woke up and the sun was shining. So I got up, had a wash, cleaned my teeth, got changed, looked out the window and it's clouded over again. But I thought, I'm up now. So, Binge I never went out yesterday, and at least it's not raining. I thought, oh, I'll come over for an hour, might help clear my head. That's the plan. I did bring my tripod with me to do more video on my camera, but I've took it off. I think any video work I'll do will be on this phone. I just don't think I've got the head on today, and I don't think I'm going to get many photos anyway, to be honest. We'll see. Well, I can hear a green woodpecker. Well, I saw it as well, but I was kind of looking between the trees, and you see it's like grey, and I could see the outline of it, and I heard it. But I couldn't have got a shot. But I've just seen it fly off over here somewhere, so I don't know. There it is again, look. Hopefully it hasn't gone too far and I might be able to get a shot. It's gone over, I think it's gone over there. Oh, this headache's a bit much. Okay, I can definitely still hear this woodpecker. It's probably about, I don't know, 30 foot in front of me somewhere. And as I kind of get close to where I think it is, then it kind of moves on another 30 foot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the hides. I can see it. It's still too far away for me to pick the camera up, but I've spotted it. I'm going to put this away and hopefully see if I can grab a shot. No, it's giving me the runaround. I saw it in that big tree there, which I could have got a good shot of, but I didn't see it fly off, so I thought it was still there. I've had to walk around the tree and it's not there. It sounds like it's over here now, unless there's two of them. I don't know. What I'm going to do, I think, is I'm going to go to the first hide where all the feeders are. I mean, I don't really know the green. I know I've seen the greater spotted woodpeckers on those like bird feeders, but I don't know if green woodpeckers go on them. I've never actually seen one on it, but I suppose it stands more of a chance than me going to the other hide, the higher up one. I've gone quiet now though. I always do this when I come to this hide. Come the wrong way around. I have to walk through a load of mud to get to it. If I went the other way, bloody king, that bloody woodpecker. If I went the other way, I'd miss all this mud out. What was that? Sounded like a snake. Yeah, what I wanted to do in my next video, this one, is talk about sharpness in photos and is it needed? Now, obviously we all want sharp photos, but how sharp? How sharp do we need them? And how sharp looks natural? Now, the reason I kind of brought it up is because when I first started editing, I used to crank the sharpness slider up and the texture and the clarity sliders right up and think, oh yeah, look how sharp that's got now. You don't really need sharp lenses, you can do it like this. But now when I look back at the photos, I cringe. I'm like, what the hell was I thinking? So I kind of wanted to talk a bit about that today, and if it's needed. But let's see if we can get a few photos first, or else this video isn't going to make it. Well, whether the lights come out a bit or it's just where I am, it doesn't actually look that bad from here. It's quite light, so I might get a couple of shots, hopefully. Gorgeous blue skies have come out now. Went into the first hide where I thought it'd be quite good, a lot of birds flying around, but really bad, really rubbish in there today. There seems to be more actual birds flying about over the water, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to head up to the, is it Riverwalk hide? I never know, especially today with a hangover, but yeah, I'm going to have a walk up there and see, I don't know, see what I see. So, talking about sharp photos, we obviously all want a sharp photo, we don't want it blurry, I totally get that. And you know, some lenses are super sharp and crisp, and don't get me wrong, I'm not saying I wouldn't like one of them, because I would. And I think everybody would. But the point I'm trying to get at is, at what point does sharp stop looking natural? Because if you look around at anything you can see right now, nothing is sharp. You know, even like flat objects with corners on, the corners are not sharp. Your eyes don't see sharp, if you know what I mean. So is there really any need to use that sharpen brush or the sharpen slider? And my kind of point I'm getting to with this video is, don't use it as much, or back off when using it. Now, as I said, I used to whop the sharpen sliders up and use the brushes a lot, but now I find I very rarely use the sharpen tool, or if I do, I use it very minimal, just on a brush, and I might, you know, just give it a low pass over an eye or something I kind of want a bit clearer. I wouldn't say sharper, I'd say clearer. But I see too many photos of people that are getting into editing and editing bird photos that have cropped them to, you know, within an inch of the life, which is, you know, understandable. You have to sometimes with bird photos, but then they've gone to town with the sharpen brush, and there's no need. I'd say sharpen it as much as you want to do before you crop it, because once you crop it, I think then you sharpen it, it just doesn't look right. It looked better if it was left natural, my opinion. I've just took 2 screenshots of the 2 weather apps on my phone, showing you what the weather is supposed to be doing right now. But if you can see, I think they're the only kind of clouds about that have been here when I got here, and now it's all blue skies. They just haven't got a clue, have they? Not a clue. I'm going to have a look in the Rudd hide, that hide there, to see if the kingfisher's showing, because the water levels on the river are stupidly high. So I'm guessing you can't fish there. So I reckon they'd be looking for like little pools. Well, that's what I'd be doing if I was a kingfisher. I think I managed a couple of shots in there. Cormorants flying towards me and a grebe. Yeah, it's just a shame there weren't two of them there, because I was after them that grebe dance, weren't I, a couple of weeks ago? Was it a couple of weeks or a week? I don't know. And I never got lucky. But yeah, I think I did alright in there. I got a couple of shots. But I've needed to come out to try and clear my head, this banging headache. I think it's a creeper. And then you wake up and you think, oh, actually, I've got away with it, it's not that bad. But as the day goes on, it gets worse. I really suffer with hangovers now. I can have literally have one can of beer and wake up the next day with hangover. Terrible. Never used to be like that at all. Yeah, it just kind of puts me off drinking altogether. I know everyone says that when you've had a drink and you've got hangover, but after one can and you can get hangover, something get right there, surely. Well, according to my Merlin app, I've just seen or heard a black redstart. I don't know how true that is. I'm not really a birder, am I? I'm more of a photographer, so I don't really know. And also, I've just seen a... Oh God, I can't think what they're called. Not a firecrest, the other one. The orange one. I don't know. It'll come to me in a minute. I thought it was a tree creeper at first, but I took a couple of shots, but it was too far away. They're tiny anyway. But look at this sky. It's lovely. It's kind of, you keep getting a little bit of warmth on you, a little bit, and then you get cold and you think, nah, it's not quite here yet. That being said, I think it's the first day of spring today, or was that yesterday? So that's good. At least we're out of winter. sticking around much longer. I've done alright, I think. It's been a bit of a mixed bag of stuff today. I haven't seen the marsh area, it's a bit of a shame. But yeah, it hasn't been bad. But as you can see, I think the clouds are really starting to come in now. So I think the best of the light's gone. That's me done. I'm heading back. I've gone really cold. I think I'm going to go home, have a bath, and then have my breakfast. But I've done really well, I think, today. I'm chuffed I come out. I think if I've seen the kingfisher, I've seen everything today. So yeah, I'm going to head back. If there's any more photos after this, if I do get lucky, even more so, I'll leave them after this. If not, thanks for watching. Until next time.